In the series Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, today we'll tell you about the city Mathura in Uttar Pradesh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of 20 UP Girls Battalion Lucknow Group, Uttar Pradesh Directorate NCC, I, LCPL Tulika Singh from Mahila Vidyalaya PG College would like to welcome you all. I'm looking forward to talking with you today about the birthplace of Lord Krishna, Mathura or Braj Bhumi. It is one of the important Hindu pilgrimage sites. Every inch of Mathura is clothed in reverent devotion to Lord Krishna, the eternal lover of Radha, the warrior, the diplomat, and the hero of the cowherd colleagues. By the 5th century BC, in the times of Buddha, it acquired the status of a major metropolis and the capital of the Sursena kingdom, one of the 16 Mahajanpat of that era. On his journey to India in the 3rd century BC, the famous historian Megasthenes describes Mathura not only as a place of great regional importance but goes on to suggest that it was then, as it is even today, a center of Krishna worship. Mathura has an ancient history and finds a place in the oldest Indian epic, the Ramayana. It says the Shatrughan, the Ikshvaku prince, had slayed a demon called Lavansura and gained the place. Later on, the place came to be known as Madhuvan, being wooded thickly. Still later, Madhupura, and finally Mathura. Mathura, the holy city, especially for Hindus, forming about a third of the population of the world, is a host to many places of religious and historic importance. You can even enjoy excursion to its nearby towns like Gokul, Nandgaon, Barsana, to name a few, which are of no less religious or historical significance. All these places, of course, including Mathura, have been the home of Lord Sri Krishna in his prime at one or the other time, and thereby have a multitude of temples belonging to various sects of Hinduism, which proudly proclaim Lord Krishna is his various forms of avatars. Just to mention few, Krishna Janmabhoomi Temple, Bake Bihari Temple, Krishna Balram Temple, Dwarkadhish Temple, ISKCON Temple are the major tourist attraction of Mathura. For the festivals in Mathura, Holi is celebrated with great fervor on the full moon of the month of Fagun. In fact, Holi in Braj is celebrated for several days at different places around Braj. Before the actual day of Holi, people throw colored water and colored powder dyes on each other. In Barsana, the festival encompasses colorful processions with dance, song, music, and extremely boisterous scenes around the temples. If you do venture to go to these festivities, you should expect to be totally covered from head to foot in dye and color and never be able to use the clothes that you are wearing again until at least the festivities of the next year. On the full moon night in Fagun, a huge bonfire is burnt at Falain. It is performed as a reminder of the fact that vanity dies its own miserable death while devotion lives on its own glorious ways eternally. Mathura has a lot to offer when it comes to eating out, especially roadside eating joints, Mishthan Bhandars, and Bhojanalay. A fresh brew of ginger, cardamom, and some other spices thrown in and served in kulhars. You can enjoy your morning breakfast tea with a host of snacks including crispy kachoris, deep fried samosas, and melt in the mouth delicious jalebis. Lal Peda, a famous speciality of Mathura, just cannot be missed. You can treat yourself at Shankar Mithai Wala or Brijvasi Royal Mithai Wala, both of them at Holy Gate, the latter being the biggest food shop that you will come across in Mathura. Education is imparted in schools and colleges for enriching the knowledge of the students. It is the teacher who shapes the career of the students by providing necessary inputs. Sanskriti University and Mathura Veterinary College are the best in Mathura. The first thing that catches our attention at the Dwarkadhish temple in Mathura is its architecture, while bears a strong resemblance to the Havelis of Rajasthan. The temple's enormous facade with its arched gateway and latticed windows it had to miss. Come into the interiors though, and the magnificence of its exterior seems to be recite into the background. Poised on the banks of holy river Yamuna, the old city of Mathura in Uttar Pradesh is one of the most important religious destinations in India. Culture of Mathura is famous as Braj culture all over the nation. According to this culture, Mathura undergoes through Rasya compromises of folk songs, Ras Leelas, a folk lore of Lord Krishna with gopis, Charkula, a traditional dance of Mathura, and Sanghi, artwork to decorate ground with different types of colorful flowers. Thank you.